Hey everybody, so I have a new tutorial today. I'm using the clear jelly stamper demo tip holder. It's what holds the nails. These are not the nails that come with it. They have clip-on ones, and the ones I'm using is from EC Basket Shop. You can get these on Amazon, and I'm starting off with Kiss French White gel nail polish. I get these at my local Dollar Tree, and I'm just putting one coat on, and then I'm letting it dry till it's just barely sticky. And I'm using some Chameleon glitter. This is blue and it is absolutely gorgeous. And all these glitters come with the little stopper on top. That is awesome because I know sometimes I open glitters and I spill them everywhere. So that's really cool. So I'm just putting it on the nail. Like I said, the polish is just barely wet, and I'm just rubbing it on gently with my fingers so I don't smear the nail polish. And that's what it looks like after you rub it in. And if you want more, you could wait until the nail polish is still pretty wet, and you just have to be really careful rubbing it in. You can just dump it on and then kind of brush it off or something like that. And that's what it looks like. Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. And I'm using some quick dry top coat from Cuticula. I'm just applying that very kind of lightly so I don't get glitter on the brush. And if I do, you just gently wipe it off like on a tissue and it's no problem at all. And now time for the stamping. I used Kiss Gel for the base and the Chameleon glitter. I just showed you guys that. And I'm using all clear jelly stamper polishes. I will leave the numbers and the names down in the description box along with a link. And this is Oopsie Daisy CJS Plate 66. And I'm just removing some of the nails so it's easier to stamp. So I'm using the pink Bake Bling stamper and the demo tip holder, also from Clear Jelly Stamper. These are not the nails that come with it. I will leave the links down below where you can get the nail tips that come with it. It comes with 15, I believe, and 3 holders. So I'm just applying the 3 colors of stamping polishes, and I didn't realize I had the plate upside down, but it's okay because I kind of like going this way anyways. So I'm just scraping, picking up, and applying the first layer. And so now for the second layer, if you look at the outline image, you know where to place this one by looking at that one because you match up the flowers and then you just go from there. And so with this pickup, I didn't quite get all the little dots and stuff, so I cleaned my plate really good and then reapplied the polish, scraped, and picked up. Okay, so now you can see that that's what I went off of, was that top left corner. So now that end image, what I'm putting on with the gray, that's where I lined it all up and I knew where to press down. And so you try and line it up as best as possible, and if you don't get it, I still, in my opinion, love when it doesn't line up. It gives it an extra little detailed look that I just love. And so for my accent nail, I'm just doing 2 big flowers in the 3 colors that I used, and I'm just gonna do the pink first and then the purple and the blue ones next. So now I'm doing the purples and the blue and also the outline, same as before, just applying it, scraping, and picking up. So I'm just applying it, and then I love the purple and blue one, I think the best because purple is like my favorite color. And then I'm just doing the outline right now and then applying that. Also, if you don't line it up, if you happen to turn it the wrong way, like I said, I like it. It's fine. So now applying some Smear Not top coat from Clear Jelly Stamper. I absolutely love this top coat. I have to get some more because I'm running low, as along with some other stamping polish colors because I use them a lot. So now I'm just going to put some little pearls on the middle of those big flowers because I felt like it needed something and I like the pearl. So I hope you enjoy. Any questions, please let me know down below. Links are in the description box. Have a good day. Bye.